I'm Kayla with WTI. If you have a little explorer like I do, then you know how great it is when they have a good quality and comfortable footwear. These amazing boots from Showave have been the perfect explorer boot for my little guy. My son just loves to play like most kids, but I want to make sure that his feet stay nice and warm and protected. And these boots are great in every single season. I really like that the sole and the main part of them are made of a nice, durable rubber. It's a very thick rubber too, so it'll protect his feet. I also like that the shaft itself is made of a neoprene, so it gives him a nice insulation too. One thing I like in a pair of shoes is if they're easy for my son to get on and off by himself with no help. And these boots definitely are. I really like how they have a pull tab to pull them on and also a kick tab on the back of both the boots to be able to kick them off nice and easily. When I asked my son how he felt about the boots, he said they were super comfortable too. I really like the traction on these boots. One, because they work really well. They keep my son safe. But two, I love the design and the space theme of them. I just thought that was super cute. It is inevitable that if these are going outside, they're going to get dirty. So what I like is I can just spray them down or rinse them off and they're good as new again. I'm really impressed at the quality of this boot overall. So honestly, when I touch it, when I feel it, when I see my son's foot in it, I can really tell that they're just nicely made. It's not flimsy, it's supportive, and it's just put together really well. I really like that he can just wear these whenever, whether it's raining, whether we're going on a hike, whether he just wants to be outside. They are something that he can easily slip on and off. They are a great go-to boot. If you have been on the hunt for a good quality boot for your little one like I was, I would definitely check out these ones from Showave. They are an excellent quality, they're comfortable, and they still allow your little one to run and play. But that's just my point of view.